Crazy Will here with another Crazy Will quick tip. Okay, so today I want to talk about Campark Action Camera that I reviewed. So I'm going to show you how to upload video to your phone. We're in capture mode here, and you go to media. That's the little media play button down there. What we're going to do from here is click on this right here. It's a short little video that I made. I'm going to show you. And the playback to the phone is not very fast. It has nothing to do with me actually hooked up to the computer. It's just not very fast, and it's not even doing it. It takes an extreme amount of time, so that's why I'm showing you this, so that way you could do it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click this little arrow at the top. You see that little yellow arrow? We're going to click on that. It brings this drawer down. We could either delete it from here or we can download it. And we're going to click on the download, and then you have to select what you want. You can select all, or you could select one, and then you hit confirm. And when you confirm it, it's going to download, as you can see, and it takes its sweet time. You know, it's a $50 camera. Okay, so it's downloaded now, and if we look at it on the phone, it says that it's on the phone. And we should be able to view this a lot faster. See, now you can actually view it. So it is better to actually do it on the phone. And then, believe it or not, it's not actually on the phone. You have to hit it again and then click on this right here, that little chip, and you wait for it to load, and you can edit it in here, and that'll actually download it to the phone. And now if we look in our photos, there it is. So there you go. So that's how you save it to your phone. I hope this helps, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. And remember, you could do anything that you put your mind to. Later, guys.
You thought I was a picture, didn't you? Make sure you like and subscribe. Do me a favor already. Click on one of the videos. They're really good.